In this video, I'm going to show you how to program a new remote control for a Chamberlain LiftMaster garage door opener. So this is the old garage door remote. It still works, but I wanted to get a couple more because we have 3 cars. So in order to know which one to get, to order the right one, if you look on the back here, see if I can get this close. See this number there? Right there, that says 973LM. So I want to make sure that the new remote matches that 973LM. I found these on Amazon. Got a pretty good price for 2 of them. As you can see in the title, they do replace the 973LM amongst some other ones. I checked the Chamberlain LiftMaster website, but they were too expensive, so I decided to go to Amazon instead. Of course, they're made in China, but they'll do the trick. So this is the box they came in, and as you can see, they are the correct ones. Right there it says Chamberlain LiftMaster, and then 973LM. It also fits a 971LM, but ours is a 973LM, so that's going to be a good match. Okay, so let's open it up. And first thing, got 2 clips which clip onto the remote, and then you could attach them to your sun visor of your car. And then there's one remote, and the other remote, and some instructions on how to program it. So we're just going to follow these instructions and program the new remotes. So the first thing we're going to do is locate the opener hanging in your garage and identify the color of the Learn button on the back. So there's the opener hanging in the garage. If we take off these little light shield there, you see this button there? That's the Learn button. See? Learn button right there. And that color is red. So the next step is to check the working mode on button. It says to check the working mode, choose the button you want to program and press it, then observe the LED color. And if the LED color is red, it's in mode 1, and the Learn button color should be purple, red, or orange. So our Learn button is red, so this is the button I want to use, the big button. I'm going to press that. Okay, so it's red. So we're fine. We don't have to do anything else. We're in mode 1, and let's proceed to the next step. So now to the last step. We're at the back of the garage door opener. There is a Learn button, and then right above the Learn button is an LED light. And here's what the instructions say. Press the Learn button on the back of the opener. After the Learn LED glows steadily, press and hold the button you selected in step 2 until the opener lights flash or you hear 2 clicks. At that point, the remote is successfully programmed. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to press that Learn button. The LED light is going to glow, and then I'm going to press this button here. That's the one I selected. And the LED light should flash, or I will hear 2 clicks. So let's go. Press the Learn button. The light is glowing steadily. Let's press this button here. All right, we got a flash. Therefore, we're programmed. Now let's see if the garage door opens. All right. Garage door opened. Garage door closed. Okay, that was successful. Thank you for watching.